How are Ombudsman decisions enforced? Have you ever wondered what happens after an ombudsman makes a decision? It's a key part of customer service that many people overlook. Ombudsman decisions are enforced mainly through agreements and the willingness of businesses to comply. When an ombudsman issues a final decision, it is expected that both the customer and the business will accept it for the resolution to work effectively. If a customer accepts the ombudsman's decision within a set timeframe, the business is legally required to follow through. This can mean paying compensation or fixing a service issue. Once the decision is accepted, it becomes binding for the business. This means the customer usually cannot take the same complaint to court afterward. However, ombudsmen do not have the same legal power as a court. They cannot directly enforce their decisions. Instead, they relying on businesses to voluntarily comply with the binding decision once the customer has accepted it. This is where the relationship between the customer and the business plays a significant role. Ombudsman offices often keep an eye on whether businesses carry out the remedies within a specific period, which is commonly 28 days. If a business does not comply, the ombudsman may reach out to understand the delay. They also keep the customer informed about the progress until the issue is resolved. In some areas, ombudsmen cannot impose orders or penalties on their own. They can suggest alternative ways to resolve disputes, such as mediation or arbitration, but these methods requiring both parties to agree in writing. This means that the process is collaborative rather than confrontational. If a business refuses to comply with a decision that the customer has accepted, the customer may have the option to take legal action on their own. This serves as a backup plan for customers who feel their rights are not being respected. From a customer service perspective, ombudsman schemes provide a fair way to resolve disputes without rushing to court. They encourage businesses to address issues quickly and fairly. However, the effectiveness of this system relies heavily on the acceptance of the decision and the business's willingness to cooperate. In essence, ombudsman decisions are enforced through acceptance by the customer and compliance by the business, supported by monitoring and the option for legal action if necessary. This process highlights the importance of clear communication and follow-up in customer service.